Lil Mama's in the league.
That's right.
What you know about me? What you know? It's in the league. 46% of your votes is what it has. So make sure if you don't like that or if you do like that, whatever it is, go to BET.com/106 & Park. Look for the icon that says click my pick.
That's right. Now, coming up next, we're going to hear from a team who really knows the importance of education. Keep it right here when you got it. This is 106 & Park, guys.
Hello, this is Beyonce, and yes, I will do what I can to stop the hunger crisis in America. If you'd like to help, go to showyourhelpinghand.com.